Unboxing of Switchblade 40. Oh, there are the wheels. Oh, dude, that's dope. There it is. Nice trucks. The trucks look cool.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Alright, there it is. Alright, unbox of the tien. And a helmet, some side gloves, I guess.
Whoa.
There's the helmet.
It's like a shoebox.
Yep. Helmet. Oh, dude, that's the company that we have the knee pads. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a nice helmet.
That needs to be the other part of
Yeah, that's why it's
Helmet
like
box.
a shoebox.
Is it in there?
Wait. Making sure it's separated.
Oh, I see it. Sick. Yeah! Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Sick.
Nice too.
Dope. Oh, DJ, that's sick. It's really flexy.
Got me way too much.
Slide gloves. Nice.
I'm joking.
Oh yeah, I got
Slide gloves.
ones.
There's the tien. Flashbacks. 81A. Obviously the board.
Dude, it's like spark.
It looks sick. Yeah, show the graphic. Nice. Nice graphic. Alright, cool.
Zeds dead, baby.
Nights in white satin. Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send, 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 send.
It's good to do that, yeah. There we go. Now I gotta do it this way.